Hello, and welcome to Erie Production. It is Sunday, January 28th, 2018, and we're in Lawrence Park, Pennsylvania, at Control Point 83 on CSX's Erie West subdivision. There are two trains approaching us, a westbound intermodal and an eastbound oil. The westbound intermodal beats the oil, but just by a little bit. Now let's watch as two video cameras capture this meet, as well as another Norfolk Southern train following immediately after. As the back end of the westbound crude oil train passes us, we move over to the adjacent Norfolk Southern tracks as Norfolk Southern 206 comes by us with some very unusual foreign power. Back end of 206 leaves Lawrence Park behind. We thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed seeing 3 trains in 5 minutes. A very unusual occurrence on the CSX Erie West Sub and Norfolk Southern Buffalo Division. We thank you for watching, and we wish you happy rail fanning and train chasing.